Let me show you how to make garlic rye crackers using Proof's stone-milled rye flour. These crackers are a great crunchy snack on their own or paired with your favorite dips. These have a crunchy texture and they're covered in a savory seasoning. We're gonna use 120 grams of Proof Mill rye flour and 60 grams of all-purpose flour, or you can make this with 100% rye flour, 180 grams. A quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, this is optional, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Start with a 1/3 cup of water. Keep some additional water on the side if needed. I like to mix this dough by hand, but you can also use a spatula. Work the dough together until all ingredients are combined. This flour may take a little extra time to hydrate. If your dough's looking dry, sprinkle a little extra water over the top. Work the dough together until it forms a smooth ball. Lay down a piece of parchment. I'm gonna start by rolling the dough out on top. An extra piece of parchment can help you roll out this dough super thin. You're looking for about a 1/16 inch thickness. I like to square up the sides to keep it a consistent shape. I'm using a pastry cutter to cut these into rectangles. You can sprinkle the top of these with your favorite seeds and seasonings. I'm using flaky sea salt, flax seeds, garlic, and sesame seeds. I like to gently press the seeds and seasonings on top to help them stick. Transfer onto a baking sheet. You'll want to bake these in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure the edges are lightly dark and crisp. You can let these cool on the baking sheet. These will crisp up even more as they cool. These crackers make the perfect snack or paired with your favorite dips. These crackers are wholesome and packed with flavor. These have the perfect snap and crispy texture. These would be a great homemade addition to a charcuterie board. These crackers made delicious with Proof's stone-milled rye flour.